Hey there folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to properly and safely load a razor blade into your Shavette style straight razor. Now I'm going to be showing you both with single-sided blades and double-sided blades. So the single blade is designed to go into the Shavette style straight razor. However, the double-sided one is designed to go into a safety razor. However, we'll show you when we go to load it in, you can simply split it in half and put half of it into here. So to load it up, we're just going to open up the razor, and you see there's this guard on top. We're just going to lift that guard up, and you see there's two pieces of metal. So I like to get my fingernails into it, pinch them apart, and then use my other hand to get them apart. And you can see when you flex them, keep in mind when we load that later, I'll show you, you want to be flexing it when you go to close it back up. So we're going to show you first with the single-sided blade. Be careful when you grab this, obviously, because it is a very thin, very sharp razor. And you see there's these two metal tabs. You want to rest your razor blade inside of them like that. And then we want to pinch the razor and close it down, and you can see nice and even. Close this up and you are good to go start shaving. Now onto the double-sided blade. So if you were to unload your current blade, same thing, just be a little more careful because you have a blade in it. Pop it out, and while this is still in the paper, push on one side of it, and you just snap it like that, and you open it up, and now you have two halves. The only thing with this, depending on the blade, may be hard to see on camera, but there's a slight curve to the blade where it's snapped. I like to face that portion down so it doesn't catch when you go to close it. But you're going to do the same thing. Just make sure it's resting properly when you go to close it up. And same thing. Close yourself up and you are good to go. Start shaving. Hopefully you found this helpful, everybody. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.